Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different unboxing. This isn't a box I paid for, but one I got for free from Home Testers. Today I got an email. Sorry, my pup's in here. Today I got an email stating that I was getting a L'Oreal box. I haven't looked in it. It's right here still. I just cut the tape open. So I thought we could go through it together and I could give you, you know, first impressions of everything, and you can tell me if you want me to do more of these videos or not. With it being said, right now I am wearing L'Oreal's Infallible foundation. I'm wearing the Lash Paradise primer and mascara, which I do love. I usually wear the L'Oreal Unlimited because with my laser treatment they burn off some of my eyelashes, so I need something to lengthen them. Hey Days, come here, pups, come here. Hey. Aw, sorry, somebody needs some loving right now. Okay, go lay down, pups, go lay down. Anyway, let's get to unboxing this. So I got this in here. It fell out, so that's how I knew what it was. Ow. Oh. So I got a couple things. I got Revitalift face and neck cream for the day. And then I got the Revitalift Anti-Wrinkle Firming Night Cream. Skin looks rejuvenated, fights wrinkles and firm skin in 4 weeks. So night and day cream. I just started using a night cream, so I'm kind of surprised. So there's only 2 other things in here. So this is a nail color, which I will be using. And L'Oreal True Black Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer. Ooh, which is great because I don't have their concealer, so I'm excited to use that. So that is what's in the box. Oh, this is just a base coat. It's kind of odd that they just had a base coat, but I'll use that anyway because I usually have my nails painted. I don't right now because work tends to be really hard on them. So I actually might even do that tonight and try it out. As for, let's see here, is this the, let's see here. It's a new look, it says. I guess I can't really try this, but actually I was just given the vitamin C for this Revitalift and just started using it and I really like it. It's really nice. I was kind of hoping for more makeup. But, oh well, like, I'm not going to complain. It's quite the jar, it seems very thick. So, I will interrupt my skincare program that I have right now, and I will be using this. It has a very, like, I want to say 80s Pond's face cream. I don't know if you remember smelling that, or like maybe that's what it smells like. I can't exactly remember. So this is the night cream. Ooh. Oh my. That is thick. And oh. Doesn't have much of a smell, but I really like that. Ooh, I'm excited. So I don't know how much these are. I didn't look them up, but I would imagine they're probably between $20 and $40 each. And this I'm truly excited for because this is one thing I don't have from L'Oreal, so I will be trying this out tomorrow. And of course the base coat, because you could always use the base coat. So that's a nice little box. So that's what I have right now. I can't really tell you too much about these, but I'm going to take them upstairs and start using them the moment I do take off my makeup tonight. And And I will let you guys know how it works out if you want. If not, I'm not going to worry about it. Stay tuned. I actually have a second video to post tonight, and that is my Look Fantastic box. Yay! I got it so early. Okay, stay tuned.